Why?
Oh, you see this horse? Oh, see this horse? Oh, see this horse? Oh.
Alright, just drive.
I don't recommend you. It's spilling white stuff out of its asshole. I don't think you want that. That's what Vincent did.
We're gonna go for the station.
I don't know. Joanna's a little obsessed with her white horse, though.
Of course. What?
Shit, he come in it. Why are you still like? Back shots with the
What
camera.
happened? Okay.
What? The white horse gonna burn it.
It's already dead, bro.
Yo, bro's trying to kill something that's already dead.
My white horse. Yo, what's fucking?
Who's gonna tell them? Who's gonna tell them?
Who's
Who's
gonna
gonna
tell
tell
him?
them? Bro?
Who's gonna tell him?
We're going as fast as ever.
Who's gonna? Who's gonna tell bro? Who's gonna tell bro?
Who's gonna tell them, bro?
Who's
Who's gonna tell little bro?
Who's gonna tell little bro?
You're going so fast, right?
Alright, I'm a. It started. It's crazy. Good luck with the vampire chasing you.
There's a werewolf thing.
Trevor, are you on?